Hey, thanks for stopping by and checking out Mobile Two-Step Opt-in Generator, the software that helps you easily create mobile optimized two-step opt-in pages for your mobile devices, especially smartphones. And we're talking any type of smartphone, iPhones, Samsung, HTC. The software has been tested on all those smartphones and it works amazingly. Now, why should you be concerned about creating mobile optimized opt-in pages? Well, if you look at the state of the internet right now, at least 1.2 billion people are accessing the web from their mobile devices. And during the day, more people spend time on the internet. They spend more time on the internet on their mobile device than on their desktops. So if you're not optimizing your sites for mobile traffic, then you may be losing out on customers, leads, as well as opt-ins. And even if you already have a desktop version of a website, there is a simple code that is provided in the manual that you just insert into the header section of that website. And whenever someone visits your website from a mobile device, they'll immediately be redirected to your mobile version, which you have created using this software application. Now, what does this software application look like? It's very simple actually. When you open it, when you unzip the folder, these are the files that you see. This is the manual that I'm talking about that has the code and all the other information and tips on how to use the software. But if you double click the main file here, you don't need to install anything. The software immediately pops up and you just fill in the blanks. I am not going to waste any of your time filling in the blanks one by one. So what I'll do is just quickly upload a demo file that I already have created, and then we can just scroll down and you just fill in. Some of them are optional, some of them it has all the information at the bottom here and examples that you can use. And eventually when you get to the end here, you have options where you can save the HTML so you can upload it to your server, or you can preview it. The preview that you see is the desktop version, which is totally different from. So what I would recommend you do is, if you want to preview and just see what's going on, what you've done, then you can go ahead and do that. But just save it as HTML, and then you can upload it to your server and use your mobile device to see what the page looks like, or ask a friend and to see what it looks like on their phone. So, and then the third option here is to copy it to preview onto your clipboard, and this allows you to copy the code. And if you've left out any other code, let's say the opt-in or the video code, you can then insert it before you save it as an HTML. So once you have created the page, what does it look like? Well, I'm using a mobile simulator here, and this is a simulator of an HTC smartphone, and this is your squeeze page. Yeah, two-step opt-in squeeze page. As you can see, there is no field for them to enter their email here. And what happens is when they visit your site and they are redirected to this opt-in, or maybe you're just directing traffic directly to this opt-in page, then they would say, it says simply click on button below to continue, and then they download free report. Only then does the field there for them to enter the email pops up, and then they can enter the email and click send my free report, and they are subscribed to your list. All right, and with this you have many different options. You can change the background color, you can change the button color, the hover color. You can change the text at the bottom here. You can add privacy links if you want. You can change your image and put a video here if you want. You can leave out the image or the video. Of course, you can change your headline at the top, and and you can insert a background image at the back if you want to. And as you can see, now when they visit your mobile optimized page, your skills page is what they see, is the main focus. Instead of having a tiny little box in the corner or in the middle of the screen, that's all they see. They have no option. They have the big blue button or red button or green button, whatever color you choose, that says gives them, maybe you want them to download the free report, maybe you're giving away a free coupon or a deal, or whatever you're offering. You can change that text, and they will follow your instructions. So That's all there is to this software. If you want it, it's very easy to grab. Just scroll to the bottom of this page, click the add to cart button, and as soon as your payment is processed, you will be able to download this software and use it within the next couple of minutes. Thanks again for watching this video and have yourself an awesome day.